All right, everybody, Sylvia here, and I am dispersed camping very near to the south rim of the Grand Canyon. And you know, it feels so funny. I'm 62 years old and I'm learning about boondocking and dispersed camping. But let me show you guys where I am. So I'm in a forest and I am camped off of a Forest Service road that's very long, and there's camping all along it. You can see it's very quiet, beautiful. Gorgeous blue skies. Here I've got my truck and trailer. Just took Myrtle out of the truck using the ramps, getting ready to go for a ride. And you know, anytime you go someplace as popular as the Grand Canyon, it's a big tourist attraction. You can count on professional thieves. And so even though there's really nobody around and it seems very safe and quiet, I am adding some safety precautions to make sure that my trailer doesn't experience any mischief. So I have a lock around my wheel so nobody can just roll off with my trailer. And then I have two locks here. So one on the ball and then one on the actual hitch lock. And yeah, so I actually went to the Grand Canyon. I rode there yesterday. I picked up my senior lifetime pass. And weirdly, all the video that I took with my GoPro didn't have any sound. So I get to go back and do it again. And it was absolutely gorgeous. And I'm very happy to be able to go back. And I also used a 360 camera, which has a 3-foot selfie stick. So, you know, you can put the camera pretty far away from you. But today I'm going to be using a new selfie stick that I have never used. I bought this stick. And I'm going to show you why I bought it, because the fact that it can do this sold me. So this is the stick, and then it goes out to 10 feet. So I should have no trouble getting up and over the heads of all the other tourists enjoying the South Rim and the viewpoints. So yeah. All right, let's go for a trike ride to the Grand Canyon and the South Rim. Come on, Myrtle, let's go. All right, so I'm on the bike path that goes into the Grand Canyon National Park. And this bike path is actually part of a very big long distance hiking trail, the Arizona Trail. And I think it's one of the most difficult long distance trails in the United States. It's not the longest. This one starts at the Mexico border and goes to Utah, but it goes right through the Grand Canyon. All right, so I'm at the Grand Canyon and there's a big bike rental place over here. And I stopped for information and they just assumed that I needed a map. And in fact, I did need a map because I had left mine in the trailer. And so I didn't even have to get out of the trike. And they gave me a map. I think people just assume I am disabled riding my trike, and so they try to help. Hi. And it's very, very nice. Very nice. People are always really helpful. So yeah, we're at the Mathers Point overlook. Let's go check it out. Oh my gosh, I'm on a trail, a path that's right on the south rim of the Grand Canyon. And I have pulled off to walk to a viewpoint. And here we are. It's the first viewpoint that I'm stopping at. I'm sure there'll be many other places to stop. Got to be careful here. You don't want to slip. But you can see that a lot of people stop here to get this view, huh? Look how amazing. I have to be very, very careful because I'm kind of afraid of heights. And it's far, far down. So this is with the 10-foot pole looking out over this viewpoint. You should see a lot of it. Pretty amazing, huh? All right, how's that? How's that? So that trail is the Kaibab Trail, and it goes down about 1.5 miles. I am not going to be going down 1.5 miles. There's mules you can take to go down, but what a sensational day to be in the Grand Canyon. Walking back up with my 10-foot selfie stick. You can see people walking out on the ledges. right, so, oh my gosh, what an amazing day to be at the Grand Canyon. Oh, wow, just spectacular. And this is my first time coming to the Grand Canyon. Of course, you know, I have seen so many pictures and videos and documentaries, and, you know, it always looks amazing. And to see it in person is a completely different experience. It almost looks fake. Just the colors and the textures, and oh my gosh, it's humongous. Phenomenal. And it's really nice that there are bike paths. So I think the ride was about 15 miles. So I guess it'll be about 30 miles round trip back to my dispersed camping area. Hi. Hi, beautiful. Yeah, what you doing? Just looking for a little snack, huh? Very nice to meet you. And I'm hoping that this, oh, it got me good. I love these. Your speed. 18, 19 miles an hour, that's pretty good, isn't it? All right, so I have made it back to my little fire service road after just a fantastic ride to the Grand Canyon. I got to try out my 10-foot selfie stick with my 360 camera. I'm really looking forward to see what that looks like. So, all right, you guys, back at my trailer after a very successful day. And yeah, let me know what you think. I am just really amazed. I mean, I'm 62 years old and I'm learning about boondocking and dispersed camping and finding my way around this national park. This has just been a phenomenal experience, and I'm really looking forward to doing more of this boondocking and dispersed camping. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment in the comment section below. I love hearing from everybody. I think I have a phenomenal community here on this channel. And please be safe and healthy. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.